Good morning, friends. Happy Monday. So I've been ordering a lot of stuff from Amazon for the garden. I'm always thinking about my next project, how I'm gonna do it, what is the best affordable but yet decent looking way to do something. I try to plan a lot. So, oh, and it's a little special thing I'm going to show you. Hold on. I got this adorable coffee cup. Yes, I really need all these plants. Right? We do need all the plants. Okay. Anyhow, grow bags. I purchased these grow bags, but they're long rectangular. I wonder if it says on here the size of them. Probably not. Oop, focus. No, I don't think it does. Okay, so they are 3 feet by 1 foot. So 3 feet long and then 1 foot wide. And my process with how I'm going to do this is I'm actually going to have these on my patio, and I need to run to Lowe's today because I did purchase 3 what do you call them, cinder blocks maybe, and then I have some fence panels in back that I hope at least 2 of them are 6 feet long yet. And I'm going to set these on top of there. I don't want to keep them on the ground. I want to keep them raised up. And then I also ordered 2 tall, thin trellises, of which I'll have the trellis behind these. And I'm going to put my snap peas in there. I have 3 pots started of the snap peas. And here's what one of them look like. I know they look kind of funny because they don't have the soil all in them yet, but I'm going to have them lined up back here, and I think that'll look pretty good once I get them filled, the trellises behind, the snap peas planted, so I'm looking forward to that. I went ahead last night and did a order online through Lowe's and did the curbside pickup, and let me tell you, it was a good experience, smooth, hardly waited at all. And now all I gotta do is unload it and get it in the backyard. So here's how everything is set up. And then these marigolds here I'm gonna plant in between the snap peas. I'm actually gonna put snap peas on both sides, which there is one here and one here. I'm probably gonna start 2 more pots because they were so good. I have one planted over in the barrel that I have, and then I have some more marigolds in here that I'll plant. I finally got it done, guys. So let me just kind of go through what I all purchased from where and the approximate cost. So the grow bags, like I said, they came in a package of 2 from Amazon, 3 feet by 1. That's from Amazon. I purchased these 2 trellises from Lowe's. I purchased 3 of the concrete blocks from Lowe's, and then I have 2 fence panels that I had back in my shed, but I did purchase those from Lowe's, and then 6 bags of organic soil. That came to around approximately a total of $100 that I spent on this project. So follow my journey if you'd like. I'm about to get ready to plant these 2 snap peas. They were really good, so I thought I better plant some more. I'm going to start some more and put them over there. And then I do have some mint that I'm going to plant in here, marigolds, and a few other things. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. And again, hope you subscribe to my channel and follow my journey. Have a great day.